Here I have CoolPAD Porto, and let me show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on this device by using different methods. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the secret code. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's open the keypad and let's use this code *#06#. As you can see, IMEI number just pops up. Let's type OK. You may also find the IMEI and the serial number settings by using the settings list. Scroll down and choose the about phone right here. Here you have to choose status, and as you can see here you've got the serial number. You may also, for example, read the IP address, Wi-Fi MAC address, and you may also tap IMEI information when you can read your IMEI number. So that's it, you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.